Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and dollar bead box for February 2025. And when I looked at the bag, this color story is calling to me. You know I love these colors, especially now with all the snow outside. So 2 separate subscriptions. We'll open the bag first and then we'll open the box. So I have a coupon code for you. I'll put it up on the screen and in the description box below the video. So let's take a look at the bag. The dollar bead bag is $8 a month, and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And check their current dollar bead bag items to review all the February options, because there are so many things there on the website. So let's take a closer look. I said it, but you get 50 beads to the strand. That's amazing. An amazing deal. So we'll start with the first couple. Matte crystal. And then look at this beautiful opaque lime green. I love these colors. They're so beachy, aren't they? I just love them. Summery, especially as I said, when I look out the window and everything is covered in snow. So beautiful. And they're such good quality fire polish beads. Just the best deal around. This is Crystal Sage. This is my new favorite color. I love this. This is so beautiful and soft. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this mix, crystal rainbow mix. So you've got all different colors with crystal in there, and I think that's really nice. Like, let's say you need just a couple of emerald color beads or just a couple of blues for a pair of earrings or such. I love that you get mixes. These are gorgeous. Let's look at the 4mm. So we'll look at the first 2. We've got medium blue. It's like a sapphire blue, isn't it? And if I get my colors wrong with the bead, you just know they're all gorgeous. Sometimes I do. Then we have vibrant blue green or matte vibrant blue green. So I'm going to say it's this one. That is so gorgeous. Second favorite from this bag is this beautiful opaque white with blue. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? That's gorgeous. And then we have an aqua emerald mix. So again, a little mix here. So the 3s and 4s go together so beautifully. So we'll look at all the strands together. You can't see the crystal because it's it's the same color as my little tray here. But here you go. Look at these gorgeous greens and blues and crystals. Absolutely love them. Okay, that's your dollar bead bag. Look at the dollar bead box. So just for those of you who are not familiar with this is a separate subscription from the bag. I believe it's as low as $18.50 a month, and it just depends on your subscription. The cost may goes up a little bit. So just give it an open, and this is how you do. You get here all your beads in here, and here's our list or our letter, and then the list is on the other side. So Escape to Paradise. Oh, what I love to with the February box. The last few months have been a bit stressful for many of us, of course. So the selections for this month feature serene palette of soft blues, greens, inspired by dreamy beaches, golden sunshine, and soothing sound of waves. Oh yeah, I'm with you. Okay. So they also have exclusive offers, just I think monthly, and they have a code here for some rondelles. So you just read that and see, you know, what that specific exclusive is for that month. Here are all their social media, and here is our list. So let's get a look at the beads. If you look at everything that's in the box, we start with the strands, and then we have all these gorgeous additional beads, which my light reflects on the bag. So we're going to take everything out and just look at everything individually. Strands, which I've taken everything off the strands. I don't know why, I just felt like taking them off the strands. So I think originally I was just going to take this one off the strand, but then I just started taking them all off the strand. So anyway, we'll start with this beautiful fire polish. This is a 6mm emerald AB. You get 25 pieces, and you really get a chance to look at it super close up when I take them off the strand. So I don't mind doing that. And then I put them in little bags, and then honestly, I'm more apt to use them because they're so accessible, and I don't have to cut the strand. Okay, so here you go. These are beautiful. Look at that color. Check glass melon bead. That's really pretty, and this is an olive. You get 42 pieces. It's 5mm, and it's really a round bead, and it's just got some sort of like, it's a little bumpy, kind of like a melon, like a cantaloupe. So this is the Lucerna bicone, 6mm. You're going to get opaque light mint or blue-green combo. Isn't that pretty? So this is a good way to show you really close up what those bicones look like. They're stunning. Beautiful. They're not faceted. They're just really beautiful. This is a pretty one. This is a 6 by 12 millimeter Czech glass abstract oval mint, light blue multi. So those colors, so pretty. It looks like a pebble on the, that you've picked up on the beach. That's so pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, next up we have did I say you get 10 pieces of the oval? Next up we have a 3 by 6 millimeter Czech glass crow bead, opaque turquoise, and this looks like a little pony bead to me. That's pretty. Opaque turquoise, did I say that? 20 pieces. So that's beautiful. That could be a nice little, kind of spacer bead. Very, very beautiful color. A tiny little druck bead. This is a 3 millimeter. I'll give you a super close look. And this is light blue, light mint blue. 40 pieces. Okay, here are all the additional items, and of course I've taken them out of the bags too. I just want to show you close up. So and I'm going to be going out of order on my list if you're with me, opening yours with me, because sometimes I just like putting things together that will look beautiful together. It's very inspiring. So let's start with these 8 millimeter Czech glass abstract cubes. We'll pull in close. Blue opal, you get 6 pieces, and just so pretty. And honestly, I have turned my lights off, and so I'm in, but the sun coming in, and I've closed my blinds, but the sun coming in is really making everything very bright. So very pretty. We have a 12 millimeter Czech glass nugget, green with travertine, 2 pieces, and this looks like a tumbled stone to me, like a piece of tumbled jade. Isn't that gorgeous? That's really pretty. Let me see if I can clear up. Oh, there you go. That's beautiful. And then we've got 2 pairs of ear wires, 17 by 20 millimeter gold right here. And then I went out of order a little bit according to the list, and I put this one with the nuggets, 18 millimeter Czech glass origami flower, peridot 8B, get 1 piece. Wouldn't that be really pretty if you had 2 of these making those earrings? Or you can just make this into a pendant. You can even bezel this, or you can just put a head pin right through, and that would be a really pretty pendant. For a chain or for, a beaded necklace. Gorgeous. Love those colors together. I'd get a second one of this and make earrings. Next up we have a Czech glass daisy, 6 millimeter in zircon. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just like a little spacer bead. It's a tiny one, but it's so pretty. You get 20 pieces, and then this, I know it's hard to see, so I'll put it in my hand. Look at the butterfly. Isn't that pretty? 11 by 14 millimeter butterfly crystal 2ABX. So look at the sparkle on that. That is gorgeous. Get 2 pieces, and you could just put these through, a head pin or an eye pin, hang a drop from them, but they're so pretty. Love. The depth of that color, that is stunning. But first we'll go to the 11 by 16 millimeter Czech glass heart leaf, alabaster Picasso with green, 2 pieces, and I love these together. I think they're so pretty. And this is the 6 by 8 millimeter Czech glass oval, dark zircon or olive. This, of course, is the dark zircon, 10 pieces, and I think this would be just make a really pretty pair of earrings, or use this as part of a necklace. This color is just, look how saturated that is. That's gorgeous. Pretty beads. Next up we have a gold filigree square brass stamping, 15 millimeter. You get 2 pieces, and you can glue something in here, you can bead in here, you can use this as an earring. Like what if you use the ear wires that we had here, and you just attached right here. You can put something beautiful right here, and then a drop, and you've got a gorgeous pair of earrings. Love those. Those are beautiful. And then we have a Czech glass button, blue with brass, 15 millimeter, 1 piece. Look at that button. I thought it was a C. It might be. I love this button. That is gorgeous. I love a glass button. So pretty. Beautiful as a closure. They're really knocking it out of the park, aren't they? Gorgeous. Hey, now we've got a Czech glass coin bead, crystal blue, 4 pieces, 4 by 14 millimeter. That's really pretty. So just a very beautiful, simple coin, sort of flat. You can definitely bezel this. I mean, I would think so. Or just go right through here with a head pin or an eye pin, and you could just put anything on the bottom and make earrings out of those. And look at these candy beads. They're 2-hole candy beads, 8mm robin's egg blue with silver wash, 8 pieces, and a candy bead is sort of round, but then flattish on the bottom. And you've got 2 holes, so that's cool. I love a 2-hole bead. That's a really pretty bead, isn't it? Sort of like a cabochon bead, isn't it? Only it's a little smaller and maybe a little more round. Really pretty. Those are gorgeous. Look at the colors. Okay, here's your dollar bead box, and maybe it wasn't such a good idea for me to take all the strands apart because now they're all, you know, I had to kind of bunch everything together, but look how gorgeous everything is. Absolutely. I love this little combo right here, and look at these. Look how pretty these look together. These are so pretty. Look at these down here. You've got that little heart bead there. So pretty. Here's your dollar bead bag items. Honestly, what an amazingly beautiful, beautiful combination here. These are so, so pretty. I love all these colors. So don't forget I have a coupon code, which I'll put again up on the screen here in the description box below the video. Check out their website. I love just perusing their website. Everything is so reasonable, and you know, it's just fun and easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast opening this. I do really love pulling everything off the strand, even though I just kind of have a big old mess of beads, but that's okay. All right, so I'll see you on the next video. Oops, lost one. There you go.